What is up, guys? I'm so tired. How are y'all doing? As you can see, I'm dressed in professional attire, which is so funny, right? But today I'll just be giving y'all like a little evening routine. For those who are wondering where I'm coming from, I'm coming from a school event that I had to dress formally for, so bear with me. However, I'll be giving y'all an evening routine. Um, I have a lot of homework, which is very weird, being that it's the second week of school. But I have a lot of homework, and I'll just be giving you like a little rundown of my night routine and things I do to be productive after a long day of school. So let's go. Like I said, I have a lot of homework, but I will try to get them done. Stay in school, like Nicki Minaj said. Barb, stay in school, and if you're not a Barb, still stay in school. But I am so hungry, so I first might be just. I'll probably get dinner first. No. I'll cook. I'll cook dinner, and then I'll try to get some work done. I'm thinking about making spaghetti. I already have the sauce that my mom made. Thanks, Mom. Love you. But I have sauce, so I'm just gonna be making the spaghetti noodles. But yeah, and then we'll go from there. Might watch TV. I probably don't even have time for TV, honestly, because it's like I'm so swamped with work. But we'll see what we could do. Let's go, yo. Let's go make some spaghettis, like Cardi B says. Don't come for me. Yes, I know I need a haircut. I know that I need a haircut, and I'll be getting a haircut this weekend. Thank you very much. Finally just finished eating, and it was really good, honestly. Now I gotta start homework and shower and do all that, and I'll keep y'all posted, honestly. But so far so good. The night is going pretty well. I feel somewhat relaxed, but I feel like I'm gonna tense up again after once I start doing homework. But it is what it is. It's part of life, honestly. not too much on the skincare routine, but just to get myself ready for the night. And then, yeah. So let's get my skin ready and glowy. Skin fit for a king. Thank you. So I'm back in my room and ready for bed. It was a long day, but I guess we moved. I got all my homework done, and I also got ready for the next day. And thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be dropping more bangers like this. Gracias. Peace, y'all. Good night.